Do you have a door on your trailer that sounds like a dying pterodactyl? Are you sick of waking up the entire campground every time you open it? And if you think I'm exaggerating, let's review the tape. It's annoying, right? But I think it's safe to say I found a solution. The best part is that it's easy and it's inexpensive. Just ignore this little part right here. Let me show you how it works. The reason these hinges get so notoriously loud is because they're outside and the rain can get inside them, right down that little opening right there. If you use something like WD-40, it might work for a little while, but it actually attracts dirt. So after a while, or when it rains really hard, you'll find your door squeaking again. So that's why I found something that was rust and corrosion resistant and actually gives you protection from both of them, because we've had torrential rain since I used this and my door is still squeak free. These tiny bottles are perfect. All you have to do is just open the little spout on the top, aim right down this little opening where the pin that holds your hinge is, and just give it a few drops. You can see that if you put the drop right into that crack, it kind of gets sucked in down the hinges here. So if you open and shut your door while you're doing that, give it some lube, open and shut the door. It'll still squeak while you're doing this, but eventually it'll start to squeak less. So you do it 4 or 5, however many times you think you need on the top here, and then the hinges are separated into sections. So you got to move down and find the top of the next hinge below this one. About a foot below the first one, you'll see this second hinge. There's a break where the second one starts and the first one ends. Just got to get some more lube in there. It's a little bit harder, but if you squeeze it, you'll see it getting sucked in. Some of it gets sucked right into the hinges. And again, just open and shut your door a bunch of times while you're doing this. You'll get some on the outside, that's okay. Do it here. And then there's a third break in the hinges just a little bit lower. Do the same thing for the third one. Just try to get the lube till it gets sucked right in there. Open and close your door a bunch of times while you're doing this. And that's really all it takes. You might have to repeat the process a few times if your doors are really squeaky like mine are, but that's it. Then just take a rag and wipe off the excess, and you can enjoy yourself a silent, squeak-free door for many, many rainstorms to come. And since this bottle is scamp size, I just carry it with me all the time now. There's a link to this product in the description below this video. I hope this helps you as much as it's helped me. And if you like this video, check out some other ones while you're here. I'll see you in the next one.